Okay, good evening. Um, what we're doing here is I'm going to use the style of sending that I've designated as the classic style of bug sending. We talked about it in a while about bugs this afternoon. And I'm going to try to use it for a while and see if I can get used to the technique. And what I'm going to send is an introduction to a short poem or a short piece of a poem. So just copy the whole thing and get the whole story and see what you can do with it. So here goes. A few V's and I'll start in. Oh, sorry. That's not where I want to start. Starting over. Okay, and here's a picture of that QSL letter in a ship probably on the Great Lakes because he was from Waupun, Wisconsin. So really cool memory from quite a while back. So there you have it. See what you can do with it. Thank you for listening. Bye.